What's going on, guys? New video here. So this video is exciting for two reasons. One, I went ahead and got a new camera. So I have a Canon Rebel T6i, so no more GoPro. Hopefully once I learn how to use it, I'll be able to put out a little bit better content, and I'm just overall excited to use it. And two, I went ahead and got a new Catback. I got an ISR Catback with the straight test pipe. I'm going to go ahead and replace the Flowmaster Enthusicar test pipe setup that I had. This one's a little bit bigger. I have a buddy who has it, and I know it sounds good, so I'm hoping to have just a better exhaust. So here we go. Alright, so I got two boxes over here. You already know what the big one's going to be, so I'll start off with the smaller one. I have a new O2 sensor. I had to get one because when I went to take off my old exhaust, I couldn't quite get the O2 off. So, you know, instead of trying to get it off, I just kind of cut it off. So I figured, why not just get a new one instead of splicing that in and then hacking that up. So let's go ahead and open up the bigger box here. Now, I am super stoked on this. So already it just looks so much better. Bam, look at that. So I just, holy cow, this tip is so much bigger than the last exhaust I had on it. It's so much bigger than the Flowmaster. The muffler is a little bit smaller, and the piping is 2.5 versus 2 1/4. Looks like they included new hardware and gaskets and O2 non-fouler. So let's get to the install. Alright, so first I'm going to start with the O2 sensor. To get that out, you need to get the seat out because it's under the carpet. So there's 2 bolts in the back and there's 2 bolts up here. And some years, depending on which year, has a bolt right here for the seat jack. So I already got that out because that was rusted in there. So it's 414s. The seat will come out, and then I'll show you how to do the O2 sensor. Alright, I didn't mention, so depending on what year you have, again, you may have some connectors on the seat. I have headrest speakers, so I have a connector for that, and I believe the other one's just a detector to see whether you're in the seat or not. So once you get the seat out, you just go ahead and peel this carpet back, and then you can just move this one aside enough just so that you can see the sensor. So this is the OEM side of it right here, and then this is the aftermarket one I have. The O2 sensor that I'm putting in right now is the same one that I put in the first time. I've already replaced this. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this and then wire in the new one. Alright, just to kind of show you how this Bosch O2 works is, so it takes the factory OEM O2 sensor, and what you do is you chop it, and then it uses these connectors here to connect the new one into it. So I just got to go ahead and match up all the wires, button it all up, and then feed it through the transmission tunnel, and then plug it back in, put the seat back in, and that's it for the O2 portion of the install. Alright, so this is the exhaust out of the package. One, I really like how they have the ISR little plates welded here. It looks really nice. The whole exhaust looks really nice. The welds are nice and clean. Overall, I'm super happy, super stoked. So I got the O2 non-fouler here. I got the car up on stands, so it's time to just get underneath it and start mocking everything up. Alright, so it's kind of hard to see, but I have the exhaust mocked up for the most part. I just got to go to AutoZone real quick and pick up a hanger because I'm missing one over towards the muffler. So once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and tighten everything up, and we're going to start her up. Everything is all tightened down. I had to go ahead and, I don't know how well you can see there, right over there, that hanger wasn't there, so I had to go to AutoZone quick. So everything is on. Everything's bolted, tightened down. Fitment is fucking phenomenal. Everything went on no problem. It was much easier to install than my last one. So, and I absolutely love this part. Look at that fucking exhaust tip. Oh my god. So I just got to go ahead and bolt the seat back in. As you can see, it's not currently in there. Go ahead, take her off the jacks, and then we're gonna be all good for startup. Really quickly, I don't know if I explained, so my car does have a secondary O2 sensor. Only the 96s and the 97s will have this, so if you have that year, you'll have to worry about that. If not, this exhaust is also for 94s and 95s, which don't have a secondary O2, so it'll come with a plug you just put in there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the seat in and start it up. Alright guys, so that concludes the video. Let me know what you think of the new exhaust. Let me know what you think about the new camera. If you like the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.